We are at the Food Express. Let's look at where we will eat. We are ordering at Taco Bell for dinner. Let's check out the menu. There's chalupa. It's gone. There's meal combos. There's the chalupa. And the combo meals. We have XL combos and other combos. Let's order. What did we get at Taco Bell? We have nachos, taco, quesadilla, rice taco plate, and more quesadilla. And our drinks. And special guest is Grogu. Let's eat. And Demon Slayers. They are shy and not looking at us. Let's eat.